Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay April 10, 2026 Friday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 10, 2026 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Friday, April 10, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for April 10, 2026 Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, April 10, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of April 10, 2026 Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.